want to express our appreciation for you guys being here, supporting us every day. You guys always are there. Just the support that this university gives to the team is what we need to be able to bring the same energy to practice, to games, to every event. And we just want to make sure we say thank you to you guys as well. So, thank you very much for everything you guys have done for us. And anything else?
Gusto ko lang po pasalamat sa walang sawang suporta sa team namin. Pang ilang days na ba ito? Whole week ata na marami kaming celebration. And ramdam na ramdam talaga namin yung pagmamahal at suporta na binibigyan sa amin. Hindi ko ma-explain yung nararamdaman ng team sa suporta na binibigyan nyo. Gusto lang talaga namin magpasalamat sa lahat na suporta at pagmamahal na binibigyan sa team namin.
Everyone here, all the supporters, all the sponsors, your support means everything to us. You're the ones that got us here and the ones that support us, so we appreciate you guys as a team. And team, can we give them a round of applause, please?
One song down. One song down. One song down.
Gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat sa walang sawang suporta. Manalo, dyan po kayo. Yung bilib nyo, hindi nawawala sa amin, sa team, sa mga coaches. Laking din sa amin yan, parang boost ng confidence na kahit manalo kami, dyan kayo palagi. And hindi kami nagsisi na sa UP kami
Just to piggyback off what they all said, just want to say thanks for all the support. You guys believed in us. You guys were like our sixth man on the team. Continued support just really means a lot to us.
Gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa inyo, lalo na po sa supportan niyo po sa lahat ng supportan niyo po sa lahat ng nangyari din po. Salamat po.
Because my right hand is tired of signing. By the way, that's serious. That's serious right there. And for the whole week, you know, we've been meeting our sponsors, and you know, it's just a really surreal feeling for us. You know, I want to thank everybody for attending this event, and thank you so much. You know, from the very start, you guys, you know, was just there for us. Win or lose, maraming salamat. Sobrang appreciate namin yun, and hopefully, again, this, like I said last year, we're gonna get it, and we got it, and hopefully next season again we will get it. So,
thank you so much, guys.
Tinuturo ko pa lang si Coach Enga yung magsalita for si Coach Bob. Now anyway, I owe you a lot of gratitude. You know why? Somebody reminded me, I don't know if I was drunk last year, heartbroken, that I posted something in Facebook. Kung hindi tayo magcha-champion this year, i-blow out ko ang buong UP community sa Mang Laris Isaw. Buti na lang nag-champion kayo. It saved me a lot.
May isaw din. May isaw. Mag-isaw naman ngayon.
Si President Gigil pa na mag-deliver. By the way, I've 10 years since we started. What a journey. 10 years. Hindi po biro. When last 2 minutes of the game, my staff beside me was asking me, "Sir, bakit hindi ka na pumapalakpak?" Sabi ko, "Huwag kang magulo." Yung kamay ko nasa bulsa ko, hawak-hawak ko yung rosaryo ko. Kahit sinong taga-UP, pag last 2 minutes, magdadasal din. And then I thought, kami nila Team Manager Ags, Team Manager Hayat, before the game, 2 days before the game, lagi kaming we get together, make some drinks. Kasi hindi kami makatulog eh. We can't sleep. Pero nung nanalo tayo, I thought I could sleep. I went home from UH to my house at 2 a.m. I was awake by 5:30. Hindi ako makatulog. At 6 a.m., I was at the UP Chapel. Thank you, Lord! Best Christmas ever! Thank you, Lord! At siguro ang last message ko na lang for the team. We've always said this to the team and we've always believed that in life, we don't get simply what we want. We get what we deserve. And this year, we really deserve to be champions for Buckles team. We deserve to be champions. Mabuhay po ang ating UP MVP! Mabuhay ang UP community! Mabuhay ang UP officials natin na todo sumusuporta. Maraming salamat po. It was one and of a ride, 10 years since we started. Salamat din, Coach Bo. Dumating ka sa buhay namin. Bumalik ka sa UP. Salamat.
But anyway, maiksi lang kasi I've always emphasized to the team that we need to pay the price for winning. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila that you can't just go through the motion and expect to win. A week before the championship and a week before the Final Four, the coaches had asked me if they could go to like a mini training camp. Sabi ko, what about the classes? Kasi isang linggong mawawala. And at the back of my mind, binanggit sa akin ni Coach Gold, Coach, sabi mo, we have to pay the price. So, tama nga naman. So, they have to absent themselves from classes. Galit na nga yung professor. That was before the Final Four. And going into the finals, Coach Gold asked me again, Coach, can we go again to about 3-day training camp? And sabi ko, tuloy na natin, total medyo lumalampas na sa absences yung mga to. And that's the reason why napakahirap talaga ng isang student athlete. Baka ini-expect nila, nakikita nila yung pagiging sikat, pagiging marami silang tinatanggap na adulations and all. Pero napakahirap po ng buhay nila. Akala nila pumupunta kami ng Serbia para mag-sightseeing. 7 a.m. Nag-uumpisa na sila mag-warm up, to train in the morning, we play in the afternoon, they go for viewing in the evening. Wala pong pahinga yan. Ang pahinga lang yan ay kumain dun sa mga gilid-gilid. We go to Korea, akala naman, Coach, napakaswerte ng mga bata mo, nagtitraining sa Korea. Sabi ko, no. If they would have a choice, they would rather stay in UP and just enjoy. Doon trabaho sila. And for them to do that, nangyayari yan because we have coaches who also exemplify the hard work. Itong mga coaches natin, nakala nyo ba, pagkatapos ng game, uuwi na yan? Hanggang madaling araw nag-viewing ng tapes yan. Hindi na natutulog yan. In fact, yung kanilang mga pamilya, bumibisita sa kanila para makita sila, at makita sila, that yun yung pinaka how do you call this? But ito yung pinaka-simbolo na sinasabi kong paying the price for a championship. This did not happen in a vacuum. Hindi po ito nangyari na libre o nangyari lang in an accident. In fact, if I may be real about this was intentional. Lahat ng ginawa natin dito, hindi pang second place. Lahat ng ginawa natin dito, lagi ko sinasabi kan, it's win or bust for all of us. That's why sa kanila, the pressure was real. Napakahirap sa kanila yan. Ang nakikita lang natin dyan sa kanila is nakangiti sila, papirma sila, naglalaro sila, hinahabol sila ng mga fans. But the main life that they have every day, napakahirap. Napakahirap mag-aral, napakahirap mag-practice, napakahirap maglaro. So, my hats off to you guys. I salute you. Congratulations.